you doing, boys?
See there. So today we're going to start talking about little welding facts. I mean,
all right.
Some things you guys just might not know about welding.
I'd like to learn about welding.
You would.
Yes, sir.
Come to the right place.
Just so you know, there are lots of careers in welding. You can make up to $185,000 just welding.
Well,
Just welding.
hey, yeah.
Just welding.
Wow.
I'm coming.
So pretty much, back to what I was saying about welding. Welding is the ultimate green collar career choice.
Is it?
Green collar.
Green collar jobs are where the energy is going. There is a need for alternative energy sources, but at the moment, nobody knows that source of green energy will be the winner. So, in other words, green collar boys is the way to go, son. Welding is where it's at.
The first car ever made with entirely plastic body was assembled using ultrasonic welding.
God. You can start out making $50,000 by just welding and go all the way up to $185,000.
What is a fume plume?
You know what, Logan? What is a fume plume?
It is the visible
Tell
column
me.
of fume that rises directly from the spot of a welding or cutting.
Wow.
Thank you, Logan.
You're welcome.
They have now some called underwater welding.
Underwater welding.
Now you may ask, what is underwater welding?
What is underwater welding?
What is underwater welding?
Welders can work at the bottom of the world's
bottom?
ocean.
The ocean.
This is a highly specialized skill that can take your place that no other underwater welders travel the world going from one job site to another.
Oh wow.
It is underwater.
Their job sites are underwater.
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 Explosion welding.
What is that?
It's a powerful welding process that can accomplish what many other welding methods can't.
Jeez.
Join nearly every kind of metal together.
Are you serious?
Any kind of metal.
Similar one.
Any kind of metal.
Are you
Any
serious?
kind of metal.
Jeez. Golly, that's crazy.
Jeez Louise, guys.
Welders have endless career paths to choose from, such as
Endless?
inspection, engineering, robotics, education, project management, and sales.
Do you mean like building robots?
Yes, sir.
Building
robotics.
robots.
Wow.
And guess what? Welding does not require a college education.
Degree.
Straight from high school.
Oh hey guys.
Hey,
Didn't see you
you
there.
hear those straight pipes? So, let me tell you a little about straight pipes, huh? As Logan's.
Do straight pipes get welded?
They do.
In fact, they do.
It requires welding.
Welding.
Welding ties along with just about everything, honestly. If you don't have welding in your life, then what are you doing? You know? So Miss Sheely thinks that me and Logan can't do a good project, huh?
That's the funniest thing I've ever heard.
Now that is funny. That's some hillbilly yonky. I mean, frick. Dang it. Are you doing like straight pipe facts or?
Yeah, let's do straight pipe.
Alright, straight pipe. Alright. So pretty much, guys, you want to know the basics to straight pipe. Pretty much it's just cutting the muffler off. Just running just pipes. Just straight pipe. Thunderstruck by AC/DC. Then you can weld some pipes on your truck. You know you're living life. You got that right. Turn this sucker up. Alright, y'all. Not too much. Maybe a little bit. So back to the moral of the story is everything in life needs welding.
Welding.
Even your straight pipes. On your mom's Civic, mom's Caravan, doesn't really matter.
Raiden Civic.
Braden's Civic, everything can have straight pipes. Miss Sheely, even your car can have straight pipes. Love it or hate it, it's just the way of the game. Everyone's car needs straight pipes. If not,
Can I straight pipe my Audi?
why
Oh,
David?
of course, David.
David, of course. How about we get a video of us welding a pipe instead of his muffler, huh?
Alright.
That'd be great.
Let's take it easy.
Alright.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, guys. As you can see,
Weld.
weld beads.
Weld,
beads is nice.
weld beads, weld. Come over here. Let's see. Weld.
Come down here. Hey, bring the fuck. Come on. All right, boys, you can see
Weld.
down here. I'll take the phone. Let me see the phone real quick. All right, y'all. Welded pipe. I don't know if y'all can see, but that's a welded muffler. See that? Rusty, baby. It's welded.
Weld.
It's on the flash on, but it's welded.
Weld.
I'm gonna be.
Weld.
No, sir.
Oh, they weld anything.
Weld. Fucking neck.
All right, good job. I'm glad you quit. That's nice weld.
Want to point out the weld in some other cars?
Yeah, let's do it.
Put it on this son of a bitch.
First.
Okay, guys, cut the language out.
I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me take it.
You don't have any welds.
I gotta show them.
All right.
Might have to have a. Might be something welded right here.
Bro, what?
Okay.
What are you? What's going on?
All
Samurai
right.
sword.
I'll back away real quick.
Weld straight pipes. Welding
so-
at weld face.
In the world of welding,
World
it's
of welding.
everywhere, man. You can't escape welding. It's everywhere.
Oh, it's clean.
Yeah, look at that. Weld.
Weld.
You see, we got a nice weld right here. I got you again. I'm not stopping. Not playing. Weld.
Weld.
You guys zoom on that one.
Yes, sir.
All
Good zoom.
Good zoom. Supercharged. This right here, custom welded right here, backup camera, rear camera mount. It's a dinner bell.
All right, this is not welding anymore, but pretty much I think we're done with all the welding parts. But thank you guys for tuning in. Hope we get an A, huh? What do you say, Logan?
Wells.
It's 5 o'clock. It's time for me to f your. So we're gonna head out. And,
As you can see, homeboy is on the way to weld. You can just tell by the way looking at him.
Come over there.
oh, phone call. Yeah. It's a project.
Wear that red dress.
Oh, okay. This is a project. You see this? Talk about welding. You're talking about a girl.
Yeah? Yeah, I'll be over. Yeah. Wear that red dress. Alright, over.
Like your girl's gonna get straight piped.
Tell me about it.
All right.